Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series of partial differential equation. Today we are going to see how to eliminate arbitrary function if the equation in the form phi of uv is equal to 0, where u and v are functions of x, y and z. Now here we are going to use chain rule. First we find out derivative of phi with respect to x, then derivative of phi with respect to y. So to get this, here we have to find out del phi by del u. Now if phi is a function of u and u is a uv and uv is a function of x, so if we want derivative of phi with respect to x, phi must go through this both the term u and v. So how to write chain rule? Del phi by del u, that is del phi by del u into del u by del x, del phi by del u into del u by del x, plus again one more term is there, so plus del phi by del v into del v by del x. So del phi by del v into del v by del x, which we obtained it as del phi by del x. Now to find out, actually this is d phi by dx, because phi is a function, we want derivative of phi with respect to x, but if phi is a function of more than one variable, then we can write it as del phi by del x. So depending on the variable, we can write it as d or del. Now second thing, phi is a function of u and v and u and v is a function of y. So how to reach from phi to y? We have to go through u as well u and then y, that is del phi by del u into del u by del y, then del phi by del v into del v by del y. So we obtained chain rule del phi by del v and del u into del u by del y plus del phi by del v into del v by del y, which is del phi by del y. Now to eliminate phi from this two equation, we use determinant procedure. So to solve simultaneous equation, what are the coefficient of del phi by del u and del phi by del v? Del phi by del u coefficient are del u by del x, del u by del y. Here del phi by del v coefficients are del v by del x into del v by del y. So if we use chain rule, the determinant, that is del u by del x, del u by del y, or del v by del x into del v by del y. Similarly, this determinant you can write it as del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del x, del v by del y. Equate it to 0. But for this differential equation, find the values of, find or differentiate u and v with respect to x and y. With respect to x and y. So to get term del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del x and del v by del y. After solving this determinant, we will get partial differential equation which is free from the arbitrary function del phi by del u, which is free from the arbitrary function phi, because here we use determinant method to eliminate this del phi by del u and del phi by del v. So we will see first example on this. Find the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function phi, eliminating arbitrary function from the relation. First question is phi of x square plus y square plus z square, comma xyz is equal to 0. Second is f of xyz and xy plus z square. Third question is g of y by x and x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. F of x plus y plus z here. This is x plus y plus z. So we will see how to solve one by one. First is phi of x square plus y square plus z square, comma xyz is equal to 0. Now we denote this by phi of uv is equal to 0. What is u? U is x square plus y square plus z square if we compare it, and v is x y z. So differentiate this u partially with respect to x and y. Now first we differentiate with respect to x. What is derivative of u with respect to x? It is del u by del x. Derivative of x square with respect to x, it is 2x. Derivative of y square is 0. And z square, z is a function of x and y. Z is a dependent variable here. So we can find out derivative of this z square with respect to x as well as with respect to y. So derivative of z square is 2z into del z by del x. Now del u by del x can be written as del u by del x is equal to 2x plus 2z. What is del z by del x? Representation is p. So 2x plus 2z p. Similarly, we find out del u by del y. Del u by del y is derivative of x square is 0, derivative of y square is 2y, and derivative of z square is 2z del z by del y. So again we can denote it del u by del y is equal to 2y plus 2zq. Okay, this is del u by del x value and another is del u by del y value. Now we find out with respect to v. So derivative of v with respect to x first. So del v by del x, it is equal to find out with respect to x, y become constant and find out derivative of x into z. So x as it is, derivative of z become del z by del x plus y plus z as it is, derivative of x become 1. So it is equal to xy into del z by del x is p plus y z. This is del v by del x. Next, find out del v by del y. Del v by del y, it is equal to with respect to y, x is constant and find out derivative of y and z. So y as it is, derivative of z is del z by del y plus z as it is, derivative of y is 1. So this is equal to xy cube plus z, which is del v by del y. So del v by del y we obtained it as xy cube plus z. Now use this in determinant. What is determinant? You can write either in row or in column. So del u by del x, and here we can write del u by del y. And in next del v by del x, del v by del y. This is equal to 0. So simplify this after substituting. Del u by del x is equal to 2x plus 2zp. Del u by del y is 2y plus 2zq. Del v by del x is xyp plus yz. And this is xyq plus xz. xz equated to 0. So we obtain this, cross multiply and find out answer 2x plus 2zp multiplied by xyq plus xz minus xyp plus yz multiplied by 2y plus 2zq. This is equal to 0. Now we can take 2 common from this first bracket. So 2 outside, multiply it with x plus zp, or you can keep it as it is also, x plus zp multiplied by xyq plus xz minus, again 2 is common from second term, so 2 common, xyp plus yz multiplied by y plus zq. This is equal to 0. So 2 we can divide to whole term. We can divide it by 2 and multiply simply. X multiplied by xyq is x square yq plus x square z. Zp multiplied by xyq is xyzpq plus xz square p minus 2 get cancelled, xyp multiplied by yz, y plus zq. So xyp first I am going to multiply xyp to whole bracket, it become xy square p plus xyzpq plus y square z plus yz square q, and this is equal to 0. Now check that which term will get cancelled. X square x square y q plus x square z plus xyz pq. I am writing whole term as it is, plus xz square p minus xy square p minus xyz pq minus y square z minus yz square q. This is equal to 0. Now which term will get cancelled? xyz pq, xyz pq get cancelled. Is there any term which get cancelled? X square yq, and here y z square q. No. Then x square z and y square z. So no term will get cancelled. Only we can write it as px z square minus y square minus qy multiplied by z square minus y square is equal to z times y square minus x square. So this is the partial differential equation which we obtained by eliminating arbitrary function phi. A second example is f of x plus y plus z and xy plus z square is equal to 0. So we denote it by f of uv is equal to 0. Now what is u? U is here x plus y plus z, and v is here xy plus z square. So differentiate this u with respect to x. Del u by del x, it is equal to, del u by del x is 1 plus y derivative is 0 and z derivative is del z by del x, which is equal to 1 plus p. This is del u by del x. Then del u by del v by del y. So del v by del x, del v by del x, it is equal to y plus 2z del z by del x. So it is equal to y plus 2z p. Next, del v by del y, del u by del y. Del u by del y is equal to x plus y plus z. So first derivative of x is 0, y derivative is 1 and del z by del y. Next, del v by del y, it is equal to, the x remain as it is, y derivative is 1, 2z del z by del y. So it is equal to x plus 2zq, and this is 1 plus del u by del y, it is equal to 1 plus q. So del u by del x, find out determinant, del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del x, del v by del y. It is equal to 0. So determinant of del u by del x is 1 plus p, then 1 plus q, del v by del x is y plus 2zp and x plus 2zq. Simplify this, equate it to 0. So we obtained 1 plus p, or p plus 1 into x plus 2zq minus y plus 2zq, y plus 2zq multiplied by 1 plus q. It is equal to 0. Simplify it further. We get x minus 2zp minus y minus 2zq is equal to y minus x. So similarly, you can try next example, that is g of y by x, comma x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. Thank you all of you. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in comment box, or you can ask me personally. Thank you.